This Bazova 19 pieces pots and pans non-stick ceramic cookware set with removable handles is a comprehensive kitchen solution built for modern households that demand healthier cooking, flexible functionality, and long-term value. Designed with safety, convenience, and performance in mind, this all-in-one cookware set eliminates the compromises often found in traditional non-stick cookware while offering impressive capacity for families and entertaining. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. This cookware set immediately stands out due to its commitment to non-toxic cooking. Crafted with a natural ceramic coating, every pot and pan in the Bazova set is completely free from PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This makes it an excellent option for safety-conscious households, especially families with children or anyone seeking to avoid chemical exposure in daily cooking. Unlike conventional non-stick coatings, this ceramic surface is engineered to support cleaner, safer meal preparation without releasing harmful substances during normal use. Performance is where this cookware truly earns its place in the kitchen. When used on low to medium heat, the ceramic coating delivers exceptional non-stick results with minimal oil. Food releases smoothly from the surface, allowing you to cook lighter meals without sacrificing texture or flavor. Eggs glide effortlessly, sauces reduce evenly, vegetables saute cleanly, and proteins cook without sticking or tearing. With proper temperature control and care, the non-stick performance remains consistent and reliable over time. Heat distribution is another major strength of the Bazova ceramic cookware set. Each piece is designed to heat rapidly and evenly, eliminating hot spots that often cause uneven cooking. This consistent heat flow ensures precise control whether you are boiling, simmering, reheating, or pan-frying. Even cooking not only improves food quality, but also reduces waste and frustration in everyday meal preparation. One of the most practical and innovative features of this cookware set is the removable handle system. The detachable handles allow the cookware to adapt seamlessly to different cooking and storage needs. Pots and pans can move easily from stovetop to oven, then directly to the refrigerator or dishwasher without the handle attached. This design also enables efficient stacking, making the set especially valuable for small kitchens, apartments, RVs, and campers where storage space is limited. Cleanup is refreshingly simple. The smooth ceramic surface resists residue buildup, allowing most messes to be wiped clean with a quick rinse or soft cloth. For added convenience, the cookware is dishwasher safe, saving time after cooking large meals or hosting gatherings. The cream white finish maintains its clean, elegant appearance with proper care, enhancing both functionality and kitchen aesthetics. Capacity is a major advantage of this 19-piece set. Designed to support families of 4 to 7 people, includes a wide range of cookware sizes that accommodate everything from daily meals to special occasions. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast, cooking a multi-course dinner, or hosting a family reunion, this set provides the right tool for every task. Who this cookware set is ideal for? The Bazova 19-piece ceramic cookware set is ideal for families prioritizing healthy, chemical-free cooking, as well as individuals seeking a complete cookware upgrade in one purchase. It is especially well suited for RV owners, apartment residents, and anyone with limited kitchen storage who benefits from stackable cookware with removable handles. Home cooks who enjoy meal prepping, hosting guests, or cooking in larger quantities will appreciate the versatility and capacity this set provides. Final verdict: the Bazova 19 pieces non-stick ceramic cookware set delivers an impressive balance of safety, performance, and thoughtful design. With its toxin-free ceramic coating, even heating, removable handles, and generous capacity, it offers outstanding value for modern kitchens. This cookware set supports healthier cooking habits while providing the flexibility, durability, and convenience needed for everyday use and special occasions alike. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.